YouTube family, welcome back to Mess Hall Digs. It's your boy Mess Hall. If you're new to this channel, I'm a part-time reseller. And I try to give you as many tips as I can, as quickly as I can, because time is money, to help you get a little side hustle going on, a little extra change in your pocket. On today's show, Thrift Tips in Under 2 Minutes, we'll talk a little bit about customer service. Something that will help amplify your customer service representation. So today is Sunday. Hope you guys are having a fantastic weekend. Tomorrow is President's Day, and the post office will be closed tomorrow. So what I did is I drafted up a little 3-sentence paragraph on Microsoft Word, something that I can copy and paste to each buyer. When you click contact buyer after they purchase something from you, you can send them a little message or you communicate back and forth with that buyer. So this way I have drafted something out that I can copy and paste once I contact each buyer that bought something from me over the weekend and just send a friendly reminder. Say, hey, I appreciate the purchase. I just want to send you a friendly reminder that tomorrow is President's Day and the post office will be closed. So I will ship your item out first thing Tuesday. Thanks again for the business. Something simple and sweet. Just give the customer that reminder that, oh, my package won't be shipped out on Monday. Because some people will forget. Oh, yeah, that's right. The post office is closed on Monday. And another tip, Saturday and Sunday aren't recognized as business days on eBay. So I have 1-day shipping. So if I sell something on Friday, they give me till Monday to ship it. But I still try to get it out on Saturday. Try to get out on Saturday. Be a great customer service person. See ya.